Hello everyone, I'm David with Softron, and in today's video we're going to talk about a powerful newsroom workflow using OnTheAir Video, OnTheAir MOS Gateway, and AMP Server. So let's break it down right away. At the core of this solution is OnTheAir Video. As producers work in newsroom systems such as ENPS or iNews, they need to be able to send their show to OnTheAir Video, and we do this with OnTheAir MOS Gateway. OnTheAir MOS Gateway turns the running order or rundown into a playlist. OnTheAir MOS Gateway gives producers a lot of advantages, such as being able to non-destructively edit the media or add graphics. You can even schedule these playlists to play out at a certain time. On the engineering side, it's relatively easy to set this up. OnTheAir MOS Gateway and OnTheAir Video can both use the same network-attached storage, meaning when you send the media to your storage, you don't have unnecessary workflows. It's just going to be available in the network storage, and the solutions will read it from there. But now you might be asking, how does this expand to a full production setup? And that's very easy with AMP Server. So let's push aside OnTheAir MOS Gateway for a moment. Video switchers by Grass Valley, Ross, or Sony include AMP, or Advanced Media Protocol. Adding AMP Server allows your switcher to trigger video playback in OnTheAir Video. These can be playlists made by hand or folder-based playlists. So for live produced newscasts, this is where OnTheAir MOS Gateway and AMP Server work together. OnTheAir MOS Gateway will make the playlist, and then AMP Server will drive the playlist. This gives your producers the freedom to rearrange stories, change graphics, or edit media while producing the newscast. This newsroom workflow also works if you have production automation systems such as Grass Valley Ignite, Ross Overdrive, or Sony ELC. To explain this simply, OnTheAir MOS Gateway sends instructions to the newsroom system. The production automation system will take the entire show and put it in their timeline. So as users of ELC, Overdrive, or Ignite step through their timeline, it will have instructions for AMP Server. So now your production automation system can control OnTheAir Video with information it got from OnTheAir MOS Gateway. When combined, these solutions really create a fast, efficient, and powerful workflow for your newsroom environment. If you'd like to learn more, you can always go to softron.tv or subscribe to this channel to learn more. Thanks for watching.